tree, and leading up to us are all of what are believed to be these intermediate species, and we're all connected by these lines from one to another and another up to us. Here's the thing. Look closely the next time you observe one of these, or look at the one that's on your screen right now. And if you look at the legend, the little box that describes everything that's happening, those lines generally are dotted lines, and the reason they are dotted is because they are called inferred or speculative relationships. Inferred or speculative. That means the scientists suspect they exist, but they have yet to find the proof to actually nail down their existence of this relationship. They're believed to be true, and they have been believed since 1859 when Darwin proposed the theory. I don't know about you, my thinking, since 1859 until where we are right now, it's about 150 years, we have had the best minds in academia, the best scientists. We've had the most sophisticated equipment. We've had the greatest universities. We've had the most funding, the most money, all directed towards solving this mystery of our origin. And I think that if we were on the right track, we'd be further along than we are right now. We would have some of those dotted lines be solid lines, but they are not. They are not. And the scientists keep saying, and I have friends in academia who are teaching this in universities right now, they're saying we just haven't looked in the right place. We just haven't found the right fossil. We just haven't looked in the right part of the world and found this evidence yet. Well, that physical evidence is only a part of the key, because now we have new evidence that's taking us light years farther, and it's telling us why the physical evidence may not be supporting the story. So you've all heard of missing links, and the missing links when it comes to human evolution. The truth is that the missing links are still missing, and I think they always will be, because the evidence suggests that they probably do not exist. Let me tell you why. Human DNA is beginning to tell a new story, and it's an exciting story. This sounds like science fiction CSI kinds of stuff, but we are actually able to cull the DNA from a human out of the bone marrow from their fossils that are thousands and thousands and thousands of years old in a way that we have not been able to do in the past. That's the state of the DNA right now. So I'm just going to begin with a story. 1987, Northern Europe. We've all heard of Neanderthal. We've been taught that Neanderthal is one of our ancestors. Well, 1987, the body of a Neanderthal infant, a baby girl, was discovered in a rare state of preservation that we have never seen before and never seen since. She was carbon dated to about 30,000 years old, and she's supposed to be one of our ancestors. So all of a sudden now, we have the DNA of a being that's supposed to be our ancestor that we can compare to our DNA today to see how much overlap there really is. They were able to pull the DNA out of the bone marrow from one of her toes that was preserved so very well, the bone of one of her toes that was preserved so very well. I'm going to cut to the